Hey, it's Steve Jaffe. Pay attention. In the short video, you're going to learn how to become a top producer in any direct sales, party plan, or network marketing business using the internet. Exact formula that I followed to create a six-figure income from home, become a top producer, have $30,000 months, take my business beyond that. Going to start the training in just a moment. At any point, click the link right below this video, enter your email address, get my attraction marketing online recruiting video bootcamp. You'll get videos from me in your inbox, how to generate leads, how to recruit online, how to build a very successful business. Right on that page after you enter your email address. Be sure to get the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook. That's right on that page. This is much more thorough, much more detailed than I can ever get to in a video. How to build your business successfully using the internet if you're in direct sales. The author, Fernie Ceballos, 8-figure income earner, MIT graduate, marketing genius. This is the blueprint I followed to hit those $30,000 months. Get this guide. Let's start the training. Step one, build a list. And by list, I mean a list of leads that you generate online. Generate leads online. You are going to run out of friends and family to introduce to your opportunity, to introduce to your products, and to invite to your home parties. Almost nobody that you invite to your home party is going to want to do home parties themselves. The tiny percentage that does, you're going to end up having to do it for them, holding their hand, running around. It is a never-ending treadmill where you end up having to do all the home parties. That's kind of how it plays out. I've seen it. I've experienced it myself. When you generate leads, you have an asset. You always have people to market to. If you switch companies, you cannot take your downline with you. Your direct sales company forbids that. But when you've got your own list of leads, you can promote your next opportunity to your list. There's an expression in the industry, the money's in the list. You have to generate leads online. Step two, warm your list. People only buy from those they feel like they know, like, and trust. You cannot simply generate leads and then pitch them your opportunity, pitch them your products. You have to cultivate trust in advance of asking for the sale. The way to do this is to send short business tips that will help them grow their business in the form of blog posts, emails, short live streams, short videos, whatever format's the right fit for you. Teach them a little something that you picked up at an event or from an online training or a webinar that you attended or a course you went through. Keep it simple. Just be the messenger. You do not need to originate this content. Just communicate what you have learned elsewhere that will help them grow their business. Think of any teacher you've had, elementary school, college, doesn't matter. They didn't write the textbook. They just summarized. That's all you need to do. Just be the messenger. Just summarize a little tidbit of training. Do this on a regular basis. You'll have a very warm list, effectively an online warm market. You move on to step three, sell to your list. Sell them your products. Promote your opportunity. Recruit them into your opportunity. This is how you build a downline. This is how you build a team of people so you're not just relying on your friends and family. This is a very natural selling process. This is what I did to create a six-figure income. Got a lot more training for you. Click the link right below this video. Enter your email address. Get my attraction marketing video bootcamp. You'll learn how to generate leads online over the next several days from my videos. You'll learn how to promote online effectively. You'll learn how to build a team effectively to become a six-figure income earner without chasing people. Right on that page after you enter your email address, be sure to download the Attraction Marketing Formula ebook that you see right on that page. Most thorough, best training guide for direct sales professionals in the industry, hands down. This is the guide step by step that I followed to create a six-figure income, hit $30,000 months, take my business beyond that. The author, Fernie Ceballos, 8-figure income earner, MIT graduate. He's considered a marketing genius by those who follow. I mean, this guy is really, really talented. Get this guide. Click the link, enter your email address, get trained.